WhatsApp notification count not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your internet or cellular data as well. Then what you need to do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the updated version of the WhatsApp application on your device. So as you can see, I have an update available for the application. So I'm going to tap on update. And after it getting updated, I'm going to make a long press on WhatsApp and then tap on app info. Now as I tap on app info, it will lead me to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for the smooth operation of the application. Then you can just go back and try it on WhatsApp notifications, and there you go. You can also tap on notifications and check if you have allowed it or not. So as you can see, I've already allowed it. So we're going to go back and check it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.